Welcome to Tiffany Roth Workout. Today we have something really special. It's a Get Your Sexy Back workout. So we're going to work on all the sexy little body parts to keep us looking hot, healthy, and strong. We're going to start off with our feet apart. Look at all these fit beauties I have. I'm so excited. We have Cassandra, Perica, Dora, and Carla. So let's get started. Let's bring your arms up to the side and swing your hips side to side. We're going to make a figure 8 with the hips. Good. Now, being sexy is about how you feel on the inside. And you've got to be able to tap in to that inner feminine beauty that you have. So make those figure 8s. The 8 represents strength and femininity. So circle those hips. Let's go a little faster and boom. That's it. Make an 8. Arms up and they are working. That's it. Side to side. Make that 8. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's hold the arms out to the side. Move your upper body side to side. Good. A little faster. Let's go. Hup. Now bring the arms down. Move just your rib cage. Side to side. Let's go. Hup. Side to side. Side to side. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. To the front and back. To the front and back. Remember, arch your back. Breathe. Be confident. Shoulders back. Press. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. 1 more. A little faster. Go. Front, back, front, back, front, back. That's it. 4, 3, 2. A little faster. Come on. Hit it. Good. Have some fun. Let's keep those hands down so you can isolate the chest. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. To the front, to the side, to the back, to the side, to the front, to the side, to the back, to the side. Being sexy is knowing how to move your body, feeling confident about who you are. Good. So work it. To the front, to the side, to the back, to the side. Front, side, back. A little faster. Let's go. Front, side, back, side. Front, side, back, side. Now we're going to make a circle. Trace it. Make a circle. Now breathe. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other side. To the front. Side, back, and side. Front, side, back, and side. Now all of this movement of your rib cage, your chest, and your shoulders does what? Works your waist. Works your core. Works your back. Let's go. Here we go. A little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Yeah. Hit it. Hit it. Now circle. Back and up. Back and up. Breathe through it. Can we take it a little faster? Let's go. Up. Up. Good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Good. Now go into the hips. We're going to take them a little faster. There's 2 walls right here. Push against the wall. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it. Da 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 da. That's it. Boom. Now arms up. Arms down. Arms up. That's it. Shake it up. Shake it up. And down. Up. And down. And up. 1 more. And hold. Side. Remember your figure 8? That's it. Figure 8. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Front, back, front, back. I want to see your hips. Show me your hips. 4, 3, 2, 1 more. Let's go. A little faster. Back, back, back. Woo! Show me your hips. To the front, to the front, to the front. Now we're going to turn in a circle. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now hold it. Shake it out. Show me your hip. Remember, you're sexy. Work those hips. Be proud of them. Front and back. Woo! 4, 3, 2, a little faster. Go. Front, front. That's it. Now let me see it. Turn it, turn it, turn it. 4 more, 3 more, 2 more. In a circle, let's go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Scrub it. Hup. That's it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Walk it out, side to side. Good job. Now, take it back, front, back, front, back. Now put your hands down. Be strong and secure. Good. Remember, we're made to look like women, not men. Don't be afraid of your sexual power. Let's go. Arch that back. Work your butt. Side to side. Let's go. Side, 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 side. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. To the front and back. To the front and back. To the front. These isolations will help you with any workout. Knowing how to move your hips, move your arms, move your back, and your chest will improve any workout. A little faster. Let's go. Front, 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 front. That's it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Circle. Circle. Let's bring it down. And up. And down. Good. Now march it out. We're going to get some outer thigh work. Going to bring your feet together. Take the right leg back. Left hand in front. Give me a little curtsy. Come up. Push your hip forward. Push this forward. Press down. Hip. Press down. Now you got to do it with some attitude. Hip. That's it. Down. Up. Down. Up. That's it. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Down. Up. Good job. Give it to me. Come on. Press. Press. Now, you really want to work your hips? Work your butt. Get lower. Come down. Touch the floor. Down. That's it. Good. Push it. Push it. Count out right here. 4, 8. Up. 7. 6. Woo. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1 more. Stay up. Side to side. Side to side. All right. Good job. Ready for the other side? 4, 3, 2, and 1. Feet together. Hands in the hips. Cross the back. Good. Go down. Come up. Give me some hips. Boom. Go down. Come up. Hips. Good. With attitude. Boom. That's it. Down. Up. A little faster. Let's go. Down. Boom. Down. Boom. Good. I want you to breathe out when you come up. Down. Down. Good. Get a little deeper now. Touch the floor. Up. Touch the floor. Up. Hit it. Hit it. 4, 8. Boom. 7. 6. 5. 4 more. You can do it. 4. 3. 2. Woo! 1 more. March him out. March him out. Good job. Good. Turn to the side. Good. I want you to bend the knees. There's a little table here. Put your hands on the table. Sit down. Arch your back. Arch your back. Hands on the table. Arch your back. Good. Bend the knees a little lower. A little faster. Go. Down. 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 Good. Using those lower back muscles. These are your erectors. And sit into it. Really work the thighs. Good. Put some energy in those hands. Woo! That's it. Little lower, girls. Little lower. That's it. Oh, stick that butt out. Bring it forward. Pull the tummy in every time. your back accent. Roll up. All right, sexy girl. See you next time.